Why is it better to walk outdoors in winter? As the temperature drops and a crisp chill fills the air, many of us are tempted to stay snug under a blanket. But for those who enjoy walking in cold weather, it can be an exciting experience that does wonders for the body and mind. Surprisingly, walking in chilly weather has quite a lot of health benefits that might just give you an extra edge in your fitness routine. Here's why you should lace up your walking shoes and embrace the cold. Burn more calories. Naturally, chilly weather forces the body to work harder to maintain its core temperature. This process, called thermogenesis, causes the metabolism to spike, ultimately helping us burn more calories compared to walking in warmer weather. A study published in the American Journal of Human Biology says, those who trekked in temperatures between 15 to 23 degrees Fahrenheit burned about 30% more calories than those who exercised when the weather was a balmier 50 degrees. If weight loss or maintaining a healthy weight is the main goal, a brisk winter walk might be just the thing you need. Acts as an immunity booster. Cold weather walking can strengthen the very immune system. The exposure to the fresh, crisp air helps improve our body's ability to fend off seasonal colds and flu. The University of Pennsylvania schools published that being outside more often also allows your child to develop a stronger autoimmune system and a resistance to allergies. Walking outdoors increases circulation and keeps your lymphatic system active, which is essential for flushing out toxins and fighting infections. Being happy from within. Cold weather walks can do wonders for your mental health. The combination of movement, fresh air, and natural light helps the brain release feel-good hormones like serotonin and endorphins. Getting sunlight during the shorter winter days can combat seasonal affective disorder, SAD, keeping you energized and happy. Say hello to better heart health. Walking in colder temperatures can be a gentle yet effective workout for your heart. The cool air makes your heart work a bit harder to circulate blood, giving it a mini workout. Regular chilly weather walks improve cardiovascular endurance, reduce bad cholesterol, and lower blood pressure over time. Tips for safe and enjoyable cold weather walks. While walking in chilly weather has its perks, staying safe is essential. Layer up to stay warm without overheating. Wear a hat and gloves to protect your extremities. Go for non-slip shoes to prevent falls on icy paths.